Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add keyframes in Capcut. So without further ado, let's begin! So now, open your Capcut app and then add images. You can select images as many as you want. Make sure that you add images as an overlay. Now after selecting the video or pictures that you want, just tap on the image and then tap on this icon. This is the keyframe icon. When adding a keyframe, add also an animation for that image. Add keyframe at the beginning of the image and also at the end of the image. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.